Alright, here we are live from WKENAS TV. You are now witnessing the last days. This is my front yard. This is a tree which actually broke off. Another part, which actually took down my power lines. And yeah, there's no power here. So they declared a state of emergency. So we're gonna try to hop in this vehicle, which is actually a really big vehicle, and it looks like probably like a Subaru Forester right now. Let's take a trip, see what the other cars are doing. There's one car. Those two little black things you see sticking out, those are windshield wipers. I'm gonna come around the corner to the other car. You can't even see the windshield wipers, but definitely see the silhouette. And basically, let's take a trip around back, see what's going on. Basically, if you get caught driving, you're getting arrested. The snow is like at least 3 feet deep. That's my back porch. That was my grill. Yeah, it's bad. Really, really, really bad. But I definitely will keep you updated on what's going on. Signing out from WKENAS TV.